Here I have iPhone error, and let me show you how to protect notes by password on the following device. Let's begin. So let's open Notes right here. Let's tap Notes again, and for example you can choose one of the notes, or you can create a new one. Let me create a new one. Let me type something here, okay, and let's use these three dots right here, and you can tap Lock. So you can lock notes with your iPhone passcode. So using device passcode or password for locked notes means you don't have to create and remember a separate password, reducing the chances of losing access to your locked notes. You can also create a separate password right here, but in my case let me use the iPhone password. So let me tap Not Now to Face ID, and the following note is locked. If you go back right here, you should see the following icon. So it means that now you will be able to access this note only if you have the passcode entered. Without the passcode, you won't be able to access and read the following note. So let's go back, for example here, and as you can see, now you can lock it with this code. And now to open the following note, you need to choose the following icon and enter the password. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.